Do you ever hear about pickle juice chicken? Yes. Every time somebody show me a hack like this, I always ask why. Why will that make a chicken better? And how much better can it be? And why should I spend more time and money trying a hack like this? What if the earth is flat? Why turkey gets dry? And why people don't like chicken videos in this channel?
That's Beetlejuice.
What do you think of this?
And to tell you the truth, I like the idea because chicken breasts are not my favorite. They are dry, unflavorful, and overall not delicious. But what about if this little hack can change all that? For the test, I have this entire pickle juice jar here that we're gonna just remove the pickles from it and use the juices for the experiment. Una pickle, mis niñas? Come on! Get a bite. Get a bite. Delicious. And here I have my chicken. This is just a regular chicken I got from Walmart the other day. Nothing impressive about it. Now the recommendation is to cut the chicken into pieces, put them in a tray and cover it up with the pickle juice and let it rest in the fridge for about 24 hours or more. But who has the time to do all that? In a ninja move, I will insert the entire chicken whole in the jar and let time do the work. Man, let's squeeze this baby in here. It's a little big. Yo, what's up, guys? Miss Ninja, bring me the big hammer. This thing is not going down. There we go. Whoa! Whoa! Close this up. Now that I did all that, I have no idea how I'm gonna take it out. Maybe we have to cut it in pieces in the jar and then take it out in pieces. What do you think?
I don't know.
Man, let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's put them in the fridge now, 24 hours. All right, it's been 24 hours and we have our chicken here. As you can see, the pickle become a little bit milky and I think everything worked the way it should be. Let's smell this thing first. Oh my goodness. Smell of pickle juice, there's nothing crazy about it. All right, I think the first thing we should do is to put all this pickle juice here in this pot. And then we're gonna have a better looking at our chicken. Let's see how we take this out. All right, I guess first thing will be a wing. Let's try to get one of those wings out. Then the other one. All right, we have the other one out. And now, this is like giving birth. It's farting. It's coming. Oh, well, I will tell you guys, you shouldn't use a huge chicken for this. And here we have our controller. You might see that it's a little yellow, okay? But don't worry about it. We've been testing this thing, how to take it out, how to take the other chicken out of the yard. What I'm gonna do now is my favorite way of cooking chicken, which we already tested, and you can see it here. And we're gonna cook these chickens as a spatchcock chicken. You can use your scissors if you have them, chicken shears, but with a good knife, you can do this really simple. Now let's cut the other side of the spine, and you just flip it around and squeeze it. And you hear that thing cracking in there, that will be the wishbone. You have to pat everything dry, make sure it's pretty dry. Before putting the rub, we have to use a binder. Binders, they come in many different ways, but in this case, I'm just gonna use avocado oil, and I'm gonna put a little bit on it. And the whole idea for this thing is just to hold the rub on the meat. For the rub, I have Neil Syrup Cajun rub. This rub is amazing. I love it. I use it many times, and I really like it. But you are not forced to use this rub. You can go to the store and get any of those chicken rubs they have there that are amazing.
Cajun.
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 No Cajun?
No.
No Cajun?
No, it's not Cajun.
Who came up with that name, Cajun?
Cajun.
Why is it so difficult for me to say that?
Everything's difficult.
All right, boys and girls, the grill is at 350 degrees and it's time for us to add the chicken. We're gonna put the pickle one on the bottom, and then on the top, we're gonna put the regular one. I need some of you to become members so I can buy a different thumb, man. It's too much. All right, guys, we're gonna let it be all the way till it gets to 165 degrees. And after that, we eat. All right, now that the chicken is cooking, we have to prepare some salad to eat with it and make it look really good. Here we have some cabbage. I'm gonna cut this thing really thin. We also have a whole red onion that we're gonna cut really thin too. And to complete the salad, we have some spinach here. And now let's make the dressing for the salad. For that, we're gonna use olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, tablespoon of oregano, and of course we have salt, freshly ground pepper, 2 little pinches of white sugar. And so we go little by little. All right, both of the chickens are at 165 degrees, and it's time to take them out. Remember, this is the one without the pickle juice. All right, let me just put it here. And the one underneath is the one with the pickle juice. Now, it is like everything else. You have to let it rest, okay? You cannot just go and cut into it right away.
You're not gonna plate it?
Oh, you want me to plate it? Oh! All right, first we're gonna put a little bit of our good and amazing salad. Now we get one of our beautiful breasts. Put it right here. All right, guys, what do you think about this beauty we have here?
No, it looks beautiful.
Man, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. So, Miss Ninja, it's time to give it a try.
Let's do it.
Let's try the normal chicken first, all right?
Let's do the normal
Let's
one.
get this one here. Oh my goodness. I love that rub.
The Cajun rub is like, woo!
Love it. All right, let's give the one with the pickle a try. Just cut it with a fork.
Oh my God, it's super tender.
You just have to put a little bit of
Let's
pressure
do
on
it.
it, and that's it. Let's do it.
Oh, it tastes like pickle.
It tastes a little bit like pickles, but I don't know how to explain this, okay? So bear with me.
The texture is different.
When you bite into it, it's like it's a cream. It's not, you don't have the fibers of the chicken. You don't have the regular texture of the chicken. It's just like a cream. You bite into it and it just
Disappear.
melts.
Yeah.
I like it.
You do?
You like it?
I like it.
It has a little bit of a pickle taste. That's true. But it's not bad. It's kind of good. Will I do it again? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know if I would do it again.
The chicken in the jar, it looks like a freaking lab fetus.
Let's put everything in perspective here. The breasts are super moist to the point that it's maybe too much. It melts in your mouth. It doesn't have a bite, but it tastes really good with a little bit of the pickle juice taste. The drums, they are a little bit more of a bite in there. It tastes really good with a little bit of the pickle taste on it, but it's good. I love the drum. I'm not sure about the breast.
Me neither.
You too? Well, guys, with all that said, let me ask you something. Did I make you hungry?
Did he?
If I made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of
Subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends and family.
Do so.
And please let me know in the comments. What do you think about this? Why do you think it tastes like it tastes? I know it's been the pickle juice, but I didn't know it was going to taste like pickle inside. What do you guys think? Do you ever try it? If you try it, would you do it again? If your favorite way of cooking chicken or you hate it, you put it down there in the comments. That's all for today. But remember that I love ya.
Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Guys, it's hot in Florida, man.
Bye.
It's hot.